Just wanted to show how tall the snowbank is. They came through with a snowblower and cut the snow pile. That snowbank's about chest high to me. It's like that the whole way. Thanks for joining us on Mad River Outdoors. We're back up on the property today, and we're going to go ahead and try to look around and see what the outcome is from all this snow that we've had. Oswego County got about 53 inches of snow, and we got dumped on here up at camp. The game camp stopped working. It ran out of batteries, and we picked up a new DJI 4K Mini drone. I'm going to go ahead and include some shots of the property. As you can see from the look of it, I don't think we're going to be able to get into the camp today. There's just way too much snow in front of that door. And quite honestly, I don't feel like taking the time to go ahead and get in there. There's no project that needs to be done that bad. We've used the drone. Everything's worked out really well. We didn't crash it. We're going to get the game cam and collect the drone and get out of here. So thanks for joining us today on Mad River Outdoors. Make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button. I hope you enjoy the drone footage, and we'll see you on the next episode.